Howdy, my name is Victoria Torres, and I'm currently a proud member of Company E2 in the Corps of Cadets, Miss Reveille's second handler, and a construction science major. I grew up in Dallas, not in the best neighborhood, so my mother and I would always drive through Highland Park, where we'd look at the really big and pretty houses. Growing up, I always knew that I kind of wanted to do something in the realm of architecture and studying and getting to build beautiful homes. This year has been a really busy year for me. I'm in Company E2, which is mascot company of the Corps of Cadets, so we have the privilege of taking care of Miss Reveille ma'am. So I've had the opportunity and the blessing to be her second handler for this school year, which is pretty much a full-time job on its own. I really do think she is the embodiment of the Aggie spirit and everything that she does. Stepping on A&M's campus, learning about the traditions, like the spirit here, it just didn't compare to anything else I had ever seen. I'm currently taking Estimating 2. It's definitely a super challenging course that requires a lot of discipline and time, but it's really rewarding. Professor Gary Bolt does a great job of taking care of his students, and I think he's really shown us how much he cares about what he's doing, and that transfers over to the students themselves. My professors actually gave a lot of really good tips during class for all the students to take with them. Going to the career fair, I just went around all the booths. I prioritized residential since that's what I want to do. But really, for American Legend Homes and Jenkins, I hit it off really well with them in the fall. American gave me an offer pretty much right away. For the summer, I'm going to be interning with American Legend Homes, and then next spring, 2025, I'll be with Jenkins Design Build in Austin. I kind of knew that when I got older, what I really wanted to do was have my own company so that I could build luxury custom homes for people like my mom.